My passion for aviation began at 4 years old, inspired by my late grandparents, Flora and Malcolm Crane. Their encouragement helped me become the first in my family to earn a high school diploma and a Bachelor of Arts degree, as well as the first Indigenous female pilot from my community.
I feel grateful to have been selected for this award. I have so much respect for the pioneers of the industry who have led the way for all of us. Aircraft have always been my passion. I love knowing how to build them, maintain them. For anybody who enjoys hands-on work, there isn't a cooler industry.
It's a real honor to be amongst the recipient of this prestigious scholarship. It will support my journey towards becoming a commercial pilot. My career goals would be to become a pilot for medevacs or remote community services, and eventually in the future, I would love to fly for a major airline such as Air Canada.
My inspiration to fly started when I was younger. I was always fascinated by planes, but cultural and financial barriers made it a path difficult to pursue. Despite all that, I chose to follow my dreams, and now I'm committed to helping others do the same. Ultimately, my career goals are to fly commercially within the airlines. To other women looking to pursue this career, you belong here. The path isn't going to be the easiest, but don't let anyone tell you it's not possible.